5 Minutes GK channel. In this video, we will see how you can add an image to any of the cell in Excel. See, I have added the image of Virat Kohli. Whenever you take a cursor in cell, you will see the Virat Kohli image. Let us see how we can add the Rohit Sharma image. First of all, select the cell, click Insert Command. Whatever text come here, just delete it. Select on one line of that box, click right on mouse, select Format Comment. This type of dollar box will appear. Go for colors and lines. Here on this color select, go for fill effects. Here go for picture, select picture, work offline, select Rohit Sharma image, say insert, say OK, say close, OK, then you will see the image of Rohit Sharma. I hope this is a very simple trick and you will be going to like my video. Please share and subscribe to my channel 5 Minutes GK. Thank you.